how to remove video background in CapCut PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a video background in CapCut on your PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To begin, open CapCut and import your video by dragging it into your project timeline. Click to select the video clip you want to edit so it's highlighted. Next, look over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Video tab. In the options that appear, find Remove BG and click on it. Now you'll see an option called Auto Background Removal. This feature will automatically detect and remove the background around your subject. It's important to note that this tool requires CapCut Pro, so if you plan to export your video after removing the background, you'll need to have a subscription. Once you've selected Auto Background Removal, just press the checkmark or tick icon to confirm. CapCut will take a moment to process the video and remove the background. After it's finished, you'll see your subject isolated on a transparent background. If you want to add a new background, simply drag an image or video onto the timeline below your original clip. You can adjust the size or position of your background layer so it fits perfectly behind your subject. Finally, play back your video to make sure everything looks the way you want. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.